Hello friends! Today I'm showing you how to make this quick and easy creamy shrimp pasta recipe. This is one of my favorite meals. The shrimp is Cajun flavored, tossed together with pasta in a delicious Alfredo sauce. Let's get started. We're going to start by seasoning some shrimp with Cajun seasoning. Toss the Cajun seasoning together with the shrimp. Once everything is mixed in very well, we're going to cook the shrimp. Heat up some olive oil in a pan, then add the seasoned shrimp. Arrange the shrimp into a single layer, then cook it on medium heat for 4 minutes. As soon as the shrimp has turned pink, that means it's fully cooked. Transfer the cooked shrimp into a separate bowl, then set aside for later. Next, add some butter to the pan and let it melt. Toss in some minced garlic, then sauté the garlic for 30 seconds to get fragrant. Add some chicken broth. The chicken broth will help lift the brown bits at the bottom of the pan and make the sauce flavorful. Next, add some heavy cream, parmesan cheese, Cajun seasoning. Mix everything together. The Cajun seasoning already has salt, so taste for salt and add more as needed. Next, add your favorite pasta. I'm using fettuccine. Make sure your pasta has been cooked according to package instruction. Toss the pasta in very well with the sauce. And to freshen the flavor, we're going to add a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. Mix everything together, then add the cooked shrimp. Toss the shrimp in with the creamy pasta, then this deliciousness is ready to be enjoyed. This creamy Cajun shrimp Alfredo came out so flavorful and delicious. The shrimp is so tender and juicy. The fettuccine is so creamy and flavorful. If you guys would like to try this delicious, easy meal, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.